What if I told you that you can use Claude Fable 5, the world's most powerful AI coding model, completely free, no credit card, no trial expiry? I know you won't believe me, but guys, you can see on my screen, I'm using Claude Fable 5. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up this step by step. So follow my video till end, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This side Sunita, and guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use and set up Claude Fable for free. Claude Fable, normally if you are using through the official API, it costs $10 per million input tokens and $15 per million output token. So if you are a student or beginner, that's expensive. So in this video I'm going to show you a very simple step how to set up Claude Fable 5. So let's start. Guys, you can open any of favorite browser and simply search FreeModel, and here you can see freemodel.dev. You have to select this website. Just simply click on this website. It is going to provide you API key. Using this API key you can use Fable in your Claude Code. Okay, so now I'm just clicking on this freemodel.dev link, and it has redirected me to this page. Here we have sign in to free model, so you can select the option continue with Google and just sign in with Google, normal sign in. And now here guys, it has taken me to this screen. Now you can click on maybe later, and here we have to verify our account. So there are three ways to verify: either using phone number, API credit, or using Telegram. So I'm already having Telegram in my laptop, logged in Telegram. So I'm just selecting that Telegram and I'm just clicking on open Telegram in web. So it will redirect me to my Telegram, and there I'm just clicking on this button and it has verified my account. Now I will come back to this website again. Here you can see it's showing me pro. So that means the verification is successful. Now for setting up Fable in Claude, let's go to the docs. And what you need Git bash or Git, and you need Node.js, and you need Claude Code. I have already installed Git bash and Node on my system. I'm just opening command prompt, and here I'm just showing you versions of Git and this Node. If you have not installed all this software, I have provided link in description box. Certainly you can go and watch that and install it. Okay, so follow that step for installing Git and Node. And step number 1 and 2 is done, installation of Git and Node. Now step number 3, we need to generate an API key. After generating API key, we need to go to settings.json file of Claude and we need to modify it. So now here generation of API key. So in free model, you can see at the left side we have API key option. Simply click on that, and here you can click on create an API key. It will ask you name. Just provide the name and click on create API key. It's generated the API key. Just copy it and save it somewhere. I've just started my notepad and I'm saving it my notepad. Okay, so now after this, next step is what? Installation of Claude Code. So in my system, I'm already having Claude Code installed. In your system, if it is not having, you can again go to this Google Docs option and simply you copy the step number 4 code. Okay, so here step number 4, we have what? Install Claude Code client. So I'm just opening a Windows PowerShell, and whatever code has been provided, I'm simply pasting this. I already had Claude Code installed, but still I'm just pasting it. Okay, so you can do the same thing. Open a PowerShell and just paste this. If it asks you to add the path in environmental variable, it will show you the path, which path is to be added. You just add the path in environmental variable. If you are struggling in installing Claude Code, I have created separate video. The link is in description. You can just check it out. Now you can see Claude Code setup is done. Now next step is what? This settings.json file. So whatever code has been provided you over here, you need to copy this code. There is little modification required in this code. I have done the modification. Here is the modified code. I will give this in my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel name is CS Corner. You can join that Telegram channel and copy and paste this code into settings.json file. So I'm opening my VS Code and in that I will open my .claude file. So whenever you install Claude Code, .claude file folder is installed in your C colon users. Here you can see I'm going to my users folder, and here is my Claude folder, .claude. Just simply open this .claude folder. Okay, so here my .claude folder is open, and settings.json is visible over here. I'm simply going to open this settings.json, and whatever code I have written in my notepad, I'm going to simply paste it. But before that, I'm showing you actual location, so that if you are not able to get where is this folder, you can just get. This is my settings.json. It is having some lines. I'm just deleting that and pasting the line. So here you need to replace API key, whatever API key is there, with your API key. Wherever it is written your API key, you need to simply paste the API key which you have generated through Fable, and simply save it. Okay, save it and done. You can close your VS Code, and now go to command prompt and guys type Claude. And now here it's showing me that detected a custom API in your environment. So just through up arrow key you can select yes. Okay, just hit enter by selecting yes, and guys you can see my Claude Code is started with model Fable 5. I'm just typing hello, and you can see it has replied me. That means it is working. It has taken that API key. I'm just typing slash model just to show you that yes, it's showing me Fable 5 model, right? So guys, this way you can set up your Fable 5 on your Claude Code. Very simple step. I hope the instruction was very clear. So guys, if you really like my video, do hit on like button, share with your friends if you really want your friend to use Fable 5. And guys, if you have any query, you can put in comment box. You can reach me through my Instagram or Telegram. All my social media link I'm giving in description box. And guys, I have my website, lots of tutorial I have created, that too freely. Lots of PDF I'm sharing on my Telegram. You can follow me there also. Visit my website. I'm having another channel, Code with Sunita, in Hindi. Certainly you can visit if you want to learn coding in Hindi. And guys, if you're new to my channel and if this video has really helped you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive updates from my channel. Thank you once again guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning guys.